G'day! In today's video, I'm having a look at this one here. It'll be slightly different. This one here is an inspection from a customer that has shipped it from the UK. They've shipped it from the UK, moved to Australia, and apparently this has some broken tempered glass on there. Curious to find out what we see. The customer more wants me to inspect it to make sure that it still turns on and works before they put in their insurance claim. Because it would definitely suck to put in an insurance claim for a broken case, only to find out that more parts inside are broken. Let's get into it. What are we going to find? Yeah. This machine did not bounce. Have the front up here, sides over here, and a lot of glass shards. Ooh. That's not pretty. You can see down here. Let's zoom you out. Glass shards all up here. Wow! Boom, bat, bam. God damn. Whew. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to tidy this up slightly. Get a broom out for all that. Not good. Some further thoughts. I hope this was in a box, not in this bubble wrap. So if this PC was in this bubble wrap, you could probably protect it a bit better, especially being that computers come in cardboard boxes. Surprising that this side didn't actually break though. I'll take off the side panel. So let's continue this autopsy. Top mesh, fine. Well, assumably that was front mesh. Aha, cool. I'm going to be able to take that glass panel off. It does have thumb screws, so I will take that off later. A bit of glass down here. Had a bit of glass on the GPU. What are we GPU wise? I can't see from my angle. GTX 1650, a H410M motherboard, and probably 16 gig of RAM, I'm going to assume. Okay. Let's see. I think there's some crucial RAM in here. Team Group, 8 gig DDR4 2666. So not exactly top of the line spec stuff. So we are a relatively old computer. I want to clean up this glass first, and then from there, see if we start up. I'm seeing one screw down here. Screw up here. And this is just crumbling. This is certainly not laminated glass. We have 2 more screws holding this in. Here, and one here. Time to clean my bench. On the floor. Let's see what happens with the side panels. Pretty clear here. Definitely a lot of rattling going on before. Where is it coming from? It almost sounds like it's in the power supply. Which if that's the case, if we're in here, That's not a good sign. Or is it just caught up under there? Take these out. Hopefully be able to just move it back slightly. Probably should just disconnect everything. Better option. A little bit in there, not much though. As we tilt this up. Some more glass shards up in here too. Glass shards caught under here. Must have a vacuum for these, I reckon. Damn. Well, we do have that mesh holding it in. Take that mesh out of here. Still some glass shards on the graphics card up here, I'm seeing. No good. Just a bit of glass. And best undo these two. Check them out. It's glued, I'm assuming. Now I'm going to take this out the back and give it a dust blowout, and hopefully a bit of a glass blowout while I'm at it. Alright, just double checked everything. Put the power supply screws back in after that dust blowout, and if I can find where the power button is meant to be. I assume the power button's this one, or that one. No. Flicked on. We're spinning, that's a good start. Now we'll be displaying system post, HDMI 2, Asus, and no keyboard detected, and we have an i5 10400F. Hook up the keyboard and see if we'll proceed to boot. Now, I did see a single hard drive in there. I didn't actually observe another SSD, but being there's two cables, hopefully this is running off an SSD. Let's have a look. And reveal. Yes, we do have one SSD in the back. We have a fair bit of glass down the bottom, front and back. We have a Cyber Power PC ARGB fan controller. So right now, just got it run the benchmark. I'm going to leave that overnight and see how it goes. Hopefully, fingers crossed in the morning, I'll still have a computer running. Let's see. Now, I think this has been going all night. If I can actually bring up, whoop, I hit Windows D and now it's having a big think. There we go. Control it, delete. And I want to see how long it's been running for. Performance. Running time. We have 16 hours. So I think it's relatively stable. Apart from losing the glass at the front here, I think we're mostly pretty good. So I'm curious how it was wrapped up, but right now the hardware seems to be just fine. Awesome.